In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons on Carrd.co. We'll go step by step so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Carrd. Start by opening your Carrd site in the editor. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon, which is how you add new elements to your page. Click that plus icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option called Icons. As soon as you select it, a new icons element will appear on your page. You can move it anywhere you like by clicking and dragging it around the canvas. So place it where it makes the most sense for your layout, such as near your header or at the bottom of your page. With the icons element selected, look over to the left panel. This is where all of the settings for your icons live. Make sure you're on the icons tab. By default, Carrd might set the first icon to something like an email symbol. To change that, click the drop-down next to the icon. A searchable list will appear, and you can simply start typing the name of the social platform you want, like Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Click the one you want, and the icon on your page will update immediately. Just below that, you'll see a field for the URL. Paste or type the full link to your profile or page there. This is what visitors will go to when they click your icon, so double check that it's correct. If you want to add more social icons, click the Add button in the same panel. Each time you add one, repeat the process. Choose the icon from the drop-down, then enter the right URL. Next, switch over to the Appearance tab in the left panel. This is where you can make your icons match the style of your site. Here you can change the style of the icons, their main color, and the color they switch to when someone hovers over them. You can also adjust the size of the icons and the spacing between them. Take a moment to scroll through all the appearance options and tweak them until everything looks clean and consistent with your overall design. If you'd like to add motion, go to the Animation tab. You'll see a drop-down that's set to None by default. Click that and choose an animation type you like, such as a fade or slide. Once you pick one, more animation settings will appear, like duration or delay. Adjust these until the effect feels smooth and not too distracting. When you're happy with everything, your social media icons are ready to go on your Carrd site.